If I'd have started following this when I started out, I would have saved years and progressed 100 times faster in my career. And the point of this video is action. So you need to stop watching content about business. Now, what do I mean about this? I don't mean everybody on the internet is wrong. I don't mean there's no value online, but simply just watching online content is not going to get you anywhere. Just reading books is not going to get you anywhere. And it's a fallacy because you start going on YouTube and you feel productive because you're watching more content about business, and you feel like the more that you watch, the more that you get ahead. But there's a problem with this. Online learning is a good thing. You should be constantly learning. But without action, it means nothing. There are millions of people out there studying for hours on end, but how many actually take action? Not that many. That's why you're seeing all these YouTubers with millions of views, millions of subscribers. Well, they're not all actually doing something, are they? A lot of people just go online just for entertainment, but they watch entertainment about business and they think that they're working from it, yeah? So I want to first off say congratulations, right? By clicking on this video, you've chosen to actually watch some raw footage that is going to actually help you progress. It's not just all this dopamine-filled entertainment with little business stuff mixed in, where you feel like you're progressing but you're actually not. I post content like this to help young people starting an online business and progressing in life. This is the type of content I wanted myself to see way back when I started, so this is the reason why I do this content. So if you like this type of video and you want to see more videos like this, drop subscribe down below, mate. Actually putting action into what you're learning is going to be the strongest factor in how your business progresses. Anything other than that is just mental masturbation, yeah? It's fake, it's not actually real. See, the problem with this is, just imagine, there's a guy wanting to lose weight. He spends 100 days learning about exercises, dieting, watching IFBB Pro content, bodybuilders, old school content, studying all the different ways to exercise, all the dieting, all the advanced topics, compared to a guy who's just decided to go on a walk every day for 100 days. So at the end of the 100 days, which guy is going to make more progress? Well, it's going to be the guy who goes on the walk every day. The thing is, both these guys, they know that exercise is going on a walk every day. They know the steps. And just like you, more than likely, you know the first steps to getting into what you want to start doing. So if it's YouTube, you start posting content. If it's dropshipping, you start testing products. Like, you know what it is. And you're actually making progress when you put the action in, even when it's simple, right? But who would be alternatively, if you spent 100 days walking and learning, that'd be the ultimate winner, right? Because you're actually putting the work in as well as learning. Now, you might not know what work to put in, but you do know the basics, and you taking action of the basics actually makes you progress. You are actually moving forward. How little that action is, it doesn't matter, but the fact that you've actually started putting it into steps is where you learn, because you learn along the way. This is the thing, you're not going to read How to Get Rich. You can, but you've got to be doing it whilst in action. Now, the reason for this, when you're watching loads of different people, right, everybody has got multiple paths to the same destination, even if it is the same exact industry. So if you've got one person, let's take the fitness example, right? You've got one coach saying the best way to diet is keto diet. The next coach is saying it's just your overall macros. Now, both of those things can make you lose weight, but they're two separate paths. But if you're watching the content of two different people with two different methods, what that's going to do for your mind is it's going to confuse you, because you're thinking, well, what if it's this one? What if it's this one? And then you start searching it more to try and weigh up which one's better. But you do not know which one is better unless you have tried it yourself. So that is the main reason why the action is gonna be the driving factor. Now, when you start putting action in, you might find out that the one that you've chosen is the wrong path, but you actually know that answer because you've tried it yourself. Just reading hypotheses is not gonna actually close a feedback loop in your mind. So this brings me on to the next point. When you're watching online content, it opens a feedback loop. So let's say you learn a topic over and over again. It's solidified in your mind, you've studied it that much, you know what A to Z what it is. But unless you've completed the action in real life, your brain does not know it works. Like, you might believe it works, but unless that feedback loop has been closed, that you've learned, then you do not really know it works unless you have seen it yourself. You have to see it and create it yourself for you to actually know that it works. So the only learning that gets done is when the feedback loop is closed. So you need to put action behind and actually see the results of the action based on the stuff that you've learned. Now, I'm not saying learning online is bad. It's great. It's a part of the equation, a big part. But the fact is, the only driving factor that you're going to see in your progress is when that feedback loop closes and you actually start working. So you've got to take action. How many people do you know watch all the same online content that you do, but they've not done anything? They've not even tried anything. They've given no action. People are spending hundreds of hours researching and studying, but they're not putting any action in. People are reading loads of books, which again is great, but they're not putting the action in. So this right here, this simple thing of putting in daily action, this is what is going to set you apart from other people, right? So the whole point of this video is take fucking action and learn. Thing is with this, you're not going to feel ready. It's going to feel scary. You're going to feel unprepared. It might even be risky. But zero action is the biggest risk of them all. Because with zero action, it's a guaranteed fail. At least if you take some action, there's a chance it might work. So if you're still watching online businesses and you don't know which one to choose, and you don't know which one to do, and you're still shopping around, pick one. Start moving with it. Start putting it into action. Get it to work. And you're going to learn along the way through real action. And it's a better form of learning because you've actually done it yourself and you've seen the real life results. It registers in your brain differently than watching other people do it. So action is the only way. So if you're still wondering and you're still guessing what you should do, action is the answer. For more content like this, subscribe down below. Daily uploads are coming hot, so you best watch out. The next video is going to be a perfect watch after this one. It's going to be here. So take a watch. Till next time.